2019 structured paper. Okay, structured part 1 in structured paper. First question, always that would be a fraction related question. Okay, let's read the question. 7 upon 5 of the total length of the drain was dug on the first day. Okay, on the first day. So you should draw a skeleton. Okay, you should draw a small skeleton to understand the question in order. Then in first day, 1 upon 4 of the remaining length was dug on the second day. Okay, accordingly there are some sets of questions. Okay, let's make a diagram according to the data given in this question. What is the given data? Total length of the drain dug on the first day. Okay, from total drain, from the total drain, 7 upon 15. 7 upon 15 dug on the first day. Okay, first day. On first day, this is the portion completed. Okay, after completing this, there is a remaining. No? Here, next question says, and 1 upon 4 of the remaining length was dug on the second day. 1 upon 4 of the remaining length. So here they are hiddenly asking you to find what is the remaining length. You should find the remaining length first. Then by using that you can determine the other respective fractions. So after completing the dugging session on first day, the remaining would be it's easy to find. The denominator is 15. No, in denominator 15. Okay, in 15 portions, 7 of the portions was completed on first day. So remaining would be 8 upon 15. Okay, 8 upon 15. How I found this? From total 15 portions, 7 portions completed. Okay, dug on the first day. That's what given. So after that there is a remaining portion. We need to find the remaining portion. From the remaining portion of the remaining length. Okay, they were clearly mentioned of the remaining length. So you should find the remaining length. From the remaining length, 1 upon 4 was dug on the second day. From the remaining length means here you should, this is kind of a tree diagram. Okay, tree diagram. This is kind of a tree diagram. When you complete to draw this diagram, that will give you the better understanding about the question. So when they were asked any kind of fractions, you completed a diagram like this, you can solve all the questions within this by using the same diagram. Okay, this is the portion dug on the second day. Okay, from remaining 1/4 of the portion was dug on the second day. After completion of second day also, there is another remaining portion. Because not the total one completed to dug on the second day also. No, after completion of second day also there is a remainder. That remainder would be here. Look at this denominator only. Don't worry about the previous denominator, numerators, those things. Just look at this denominator. If after completion of first day there are 8 portions, so if 4 portions, okay, if 4 portions, amongst these 4 portions, 1 portion was completed within second day. So what's the remaining in that 4? 3 portions are remaining. Still 3 portions are remaining. Remaining to complete. Remaining work to complete. This is the way you should draw your diagram according to the data given in this fraction question. Okay, then it's easy to do the questions. Okay, let's read the questions one by one. At the end of first day, what fraction of the total length of the drain remained to be dug? Okay, yeah, by looking at this we can find it is 8 upon 15. No need to write anything else. You have completed a diagram like this. You can directly substitute 8 upon 15 as your answer. At the end of first day, what fraction of the total length of the drain remained to be dug? So what's the remaining? It would be 8 upon 15. Okay. Then let's look at our second question. What fraction of the total length of the drain was dug on the second day? What fraction of the total length? What fraction of the total length of the drain was dug on the second day? Okay. Second day, not only second day. From the total, what's the fraction? From total, what's the fraction dug on the second day? This is our question. Okay, this is our question. To go to second day. Okay, to go to second day. Okay, to go to second day from total, we have to come across this way. Okay, this fraction and this fraction. So to find the final answer, you should multiply these two fractions. 8 upon 15. Okay, 1 upon 4 of remaining. Of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. That means there is a division. Okay, here this one splitted into two portions. So that means 8 upon 15 into 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. So after simplification, we can simplify these two. Here 2 times, 1 times. So finally your answer would be from the total, the fraction 15 upon 2 fraction was completed on the second day. Third question says, at the end of first 2 days, end of first day, 2 days means this was completed and this was also completed. End of further length 600 meters of the total length of the drain remain to dug. Find the total length. Okay, 600 meters remaining. So remaining fraction belongs to 600 meters. Remaining fraction indicates 600 meters. No. So the remaining means not only this remaining, this is come across this way. From total this remainder, from this remainder to this remainder, you should multiply these two fractions. So 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Multiplied by 3 upon 4. That means here we can simplify these two. 8 and 4 can be simplified 1 time, 2 time. Here these also simplified 5 times, 1 time. So 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. This is the remaining fraction after completion of first day work and second day work. The remaining fraction is 2 upon 5. Not only 3 upon 4. Not only 3 upon 4. That's the thing you should understand. That is not only 3 upon 4. That is coming from total to this remaining to another remainder. Another remainder. So that's how I found this fraction. So in this fraction, this numerator. Okay, numerator indicating 600 meters. 600 meters of the work we need to complete furthermore. So 2 multiplied by 300. No. Similarly, to find the equivalent fraction, you should multiply 5 also by 300. 5 should be multiplied by 300. That will give you 1500 meters. That's the total length of this. That's the total length of this remaining portion. Okay, remaining portion means not only this remaining, you should understand, you should multiply these two to get the remaining fraction. That's easy. Then this 2, this numerator is indicating 600 meters to dug. So total, numerator indicating 600. So denominator is the total. No? So the total will indicate 5 times 300. That would be 1500 meters. That is the total length of that particular drain. Okay, now we found the total length of that drain was 1500 meters. We have to get use of it. So by using that 1500 meters, let's read our fourth question. What is in it? It has been estimated 4 men will require 3 days to dig remaining 600 meters of the drain. How many more men needed to engage dig length in 2 days? Okay, this is about human days work. Okay, let's find the total work. Total work would be multiplication of men into days. 4 men multiplied by 3 days. So it would be 12 men days. 12 men days of the work. How many more men need to engage to dig this length in 2 days? Okay, we have to complete the work within 2 days. So the total work we already found now 12 men days. This one would be completed within 2 days. Within 2 days. So we have to divide that by 2. That will give you 6 men. 6 men. But read the question clearly. How many more men? Okay, how many more men need to be engaged? We already have 4 men. in that work. Okay, 4 men are included, engaged in that work already. We need how many more men to complete this work within 2 days? Okay, already 4 men here. So from 6, you should subtract the already in men, that's 4. So the man we need to complete this work within 2 days, that's 2 men. Okay, 2 men. We just only need 2 men to engage in this work to complete the remaining task within 2 days.